Happy Memorial Day, guys. Yeah, let's test the siren, but I do want to show you guys something. So we moved the siren behind the barn. I'm gonna put a lock on this. Just because my neighbor might get angry at this and he will try to disconnect everything. Yeah, that's not opening. So now I just realized this doesn't look like a thunderbolt. You know what it looks like? I don't know what the siren is called, but the siren what it looks like looks literally exactly like this. So yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna go turn it on. I put the Wi-Fi switch is in here. I put it this because I don't know, water might get in here. So 3, 2, 1. That was louder than it has ever been. Wow. Alright, bye guys. Peace.